If it doesn't get tracked and measured, you will not consistently get results. Hey guys, it's Chris Waters, and in the coaching tip of the week, I want to talk about key performance indicators. So one of the most important things about growing a business is being able to do it predictably. And one of the only ways to do that is to actually measure all of the unique KPIs to each department or impact zone within a business. So for example, in marketing, you might be tracking your cost per lead or your cost per thousand or your client acquisition cost or your return on investment. Or in sales, you might be tracking your total number of dials made, your total number of contacts, your contact to appointment ratio, appointment set to actual agreement signed or won ratio. And then from contract to actual closing, what does that ratio look like? All these little KPIs give you inside information into things that you can work on and improve. Depending on whatever it is you're challenging with within your business, I hope you'll take the time to go and look inside your business and start thinking about what are the unique key performance indicators and where am I getting stuck? Because I'm willing to bet if you can identify what those key performance indicators are in whatever impact zone where you're struggling and you start to track it, you can really isolate where you can actually improve and figure out, for example, in sales, do I need to improve my skills as a salesperson in order to set more appointments on the phone? Or maybe I just need to make more dials on the phone. If this video has been helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tune in next time to the coaching tip of the week.